I made my first $10,000 online, and nobody knows what I look like. No camera, no Instagram selfies, no personal brand drama, and I'm not alone. Right now, there are people earning $500, $2,000, or even $15,000 a month, completely faceless. They're not gurus. They're not special. They just picked one method and stuck with it long enough to see it work. Here's what nobody tells you. The people making consistent money online aren't the ones with the biggest following. They're the ones solving the clearest problems, and you can do that without ever turning on a camera. In the next 10 minutes, I'm breaking down 6 realistic methods, starting with the fastest way to earn your first dollar and ending with the one that scales while you sleep. The last method? That's the one most people scroll past. But it's also the simplest to start. Let's go. Here's the truth. Most beginner videos won't tell you. Online buyers don't care about your face. They care about their problem getting solved. When someone searches how to edit a podcast or best budgeting app, they're not looking for a personality. They're looking for clarity. That's your advantage. Faceless creators win because they focus entirely on the solution, not the seller. No distractions, no ego, just value. This works especially well if you want privacy, hate being on camera, or just want something sustainable without the pressure of personal branding. Now, let's get into the methods, starting with the one that pays fastest. If your goal is to earn online as soon as possible, freelancing is the most realistic path. You exchange a skill for money. No audience required. Common faceless freelance skills: writing and editing, video editing, graphic design, virtual assistants, simple website setup, and script writing for YouTube or ads. Platforms people actually use: Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer, and direct outreach. Why this holds attention? You can start with 0 followers, improve over time, and raise your rates. But freelancing has a limit. It trades time for money. That's where the next method comes in. YouTube is not just entertainment. It's a search engine. Faceless channels work because people search for solutions. Evergreen videos keep earning, and one video can pay for months or years. Common faceless formats: stock footage plus voiceover, animated explainers, screen recordings, text-based storytelling, and AI narration. Evergreen niches that perform well: motivation and mindset, finance explanations, tutorials and how-tos, productivity systems, and storytelling and documentaries. This takes longer than freelancing, but it scales, and it leads naturally into the next method. Affiliate marketing works best when you remove emotion and focus on helpfulness. You don't need a lifestyle channel, personal stories, or on-camera persuasion. You do need clear explanations, honest comparisons, and search-based content. Faceless affiliate formats: best tools for beginners, X versus Y comparisons, how to choose the right software. This works because people are already searching, you're solving a decision problem, and you earn without handling products. No hype, no pressure, just clarity. But there's an even more controlled model. Digital products let you turn knowledge into income once and sell it repeatedly. Faceless digital products include templates, checklists, short guides, Notion dashboards, simple ebooks. People buy digital products to save time, avoid confusion, follow a clear process. Platforms. People use Gumroad, Etsy, and personal websites. This method works best when you solve one specific problem. Keep the product simple, price it fairly. And once it's live, it doesn't require constant work. This method won't build long-term wealth, but it's real. Examples: transcription, captioning, research tasks, data labeling, moderation. Platforms include Rev, Appen, and Clickworker. This is useful if you need immediate income. You're testing online work. You want experience. Just understand the limits. Now, this part matters most. Most people don't fail because the methods don't work. They fail because they jump between ideas, chase shortcuts, quit too early, believe the hype. Real online income is boring at first. That's why it works. Consistency beats excitement. You don't need to show your face to make money online. You need one method, one skill, and enough patience to outlast most people. Pick one path. Commit to it. Let time do the rest. If you want more realistic, faceless income strategies, the next video breaks down exactly where beginners should start.